As you know, many local businesses have had to really change how they operate during the pandemic.
As ABC7's Kid O'Shea shows us, for one local business, that means turning a salsa studio into a temporary classroom.
When Silvia Alexiev left her full-time job working for the government back in 2011 to start Salsa with Silvia, she never could have imagined going from this to this.
It is safe to say that we have adjusted, like many other businesses have.
From a popular salsa dance studio.
Before we had to shut down for COVID, we had on average about 2,500 walk-ins every single month.
To a distance learning classroom.
So we designed a full back-to-school camp where we help the children with their virtual sessions, with their homework, and at the same time we keep them active and dancing and doing arts and crafts and going outdoors.
Managing virtual classroom schedules has become her new reality, and she's making it work.
It's been definitely different, but it's a change that we embrace and we like.
And it's working for the parents too.
Parents have said marriages have been saved because of this.
Actually, we have been thinking about changing our slogan, Salsa with Silvia, saving marriages one at a time.
Silvia's goal is to continue serving her community in whatever way she can.
We're happy to provide some sort of interaction between the kids, which they need so much.
With the ultimate goal of getting back to teaching salsa full-time. In Northwest DC, I'm Kid O'Shea, ABC7 News.
We did have our summer camp this summer, and following that, parents were literally begging us to do something for fall. At least we have little kids that are really happy here.
You said you like...
Other side, 5, 6, 7, run, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7.